Welcome back to Ronnie, I'm Joe B. Today I'll show you how to palpate the medial collateral ligament of the knee. Let's dive in. The medial or tibial collateral ligament is a band of tissue that runs from the thigh bone to the shin bone. It stabilizes the knee and prevents the leg to turn in too far outward. Before palpating, wash or sanitize your hands, then introduce yourself to the patient and what you are about to do to gather consent. Make sure that you use your finger pads, adhere to a broad contact, and avoid too much palpation pressure to maximize patient comfort. Patient position will be in supine, head, trunk, pelvis in neutral, arms at sides, and legs uncrossed. The therapist will be on the palpated side. The therapist slides the first dorsal web space of the hand from the shin until she encounters a shelf. That will be the knee joint line. From there, move the index finger medially to arrive at the medial collateral ligament of the femur. You can even strum the ligament by going perpendicular to the ligamentous fibers. So do you want to know how to palpate the medial femoral condyle? If so, then watch this next video. Thank you so much.